Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Amir Akhtar Tania, teacher of Milestone School and College English Medium Junior Section, Sector 7. My dear students, are you fine? I hope you all are very fine. Do you want to know how am I? I am also fine, okay? So, students, today I am going to take you English class. Okay, today we will learn something different, okay? So, before starting today's topic, I will check, do you know the picture and can you say the letter's name, okay? See everyone, this is apple. What for apple? Apple. So, which letter sound is A? The letter A. Apple. Okay, now look again. What is it? This is ball. What for ball? Ball. So, beginning sound is ba. So, which letter sound is ba? Can you say? B. B phonic sound is ba. B, ba, ball. Now look, this is cat. What for cat? So beginning sound is here ka. Ka, cat. So which letter sound is ka? C. C phonic sound is ka. C, ka, cat. C, ka, cat. Then look again, this is doll, right? This is doll. So, what is the beginning sound here? Doll. Da, 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 doll. So, which letter will be here? D, right? D, da, doll. Okay. Now look, this is elephant, right? This is elephant. Okay. So, elephant, A. So which letter sound is A? E. E phonic sound is A. E, elephant. Then look, this is fish. So what for fish? You try to say what for fish? Fish. So which letter sound is? Can you say? F. F phonic sound is F. Fish. Okay, now look. These are grapes, right? These are grapes. Do you like grapes? Okay, so grapes. What is the beginning sound you can hear, students? Grapes. Ga. So, ga. Which letter sound is ga? G. G. Ga. G. Ga. Grapes. Okay. Now look again. What is it? This is hat. This is hat. So, which letter sound? Which letter will be here, students? Hat. Ha. Ha. Hat. So, H, right? H phonic sound is ha. H, ha, hat. H, ha, hat. Okay. This is ink, right? This is ink. So, what for ink? Can you say? I will not say, okay? You try to say, everybody. Ink, what for ink? It is I, right? I, phonic sound is E. I, E, ink. I, E, ink. This is juice. So, what for juice? Beginning sound is here. Ja. Ja, juice. So, which letter will be here, students? J. J, ja, juice. Okay. Then now look here. What is it? This is a beautiful kite. Do you like to play with kite? Okay, so what for kite? Kite. Ka. So here? Which letter will be here, students? K, right? K, ka, kite. K, ka, kite. Now look, this is lion, right? Lion. So, what is the beginning sound? L. Lion. So, which letter will be here? L, right? L, lion. Okay. Now look, this is monkey. Monkey is so naughty, right? So, what for monkey? Monkey. Here will be M. M, monkey. M, monkey. Then nuts. Okay, so what for nut? Nut. So which letter sound is students? N. Nut. Okay, then this is orange. So what for orange? Orange. O. Beginning sound is here. O. So which letter will be here? O. O phonic sound is O. So O, orange. Okay, then this is pumpkin, right? Pumpkin is a vegetable, right? Pumpkin. So what for pumpkin? Pumpkin. So which letter will be here? P. Pumpkin. Okay, then who is she? She's a queen, right? Okay, so what for queen? So which letter will be here? Here, Q. Queen. So students, are you clear about it? Students, we already learned letter A to Q, right? We learned phonic sounds. Then what? We learned objects name and we know which one is short letter, which one is tall letter, which one is hanging letter, right? Okay, so now I will see you can say or not. So can you tell me B phonic sound? Yes, B phonic sound is ba. Then E phonic sound, tell me E phonic sound? A. Yes. Then tell me K phonic sound? Ka. Okay. Then tell me M phonic sound? Yes. M phonic sound? Okay. Tell me the last one. Q phonic sound? Qua. Yes. So you can tell me phonic sound, right? Now I will ask you in another one, okay? Tell me B for what? B for ball, bat, bag, so many, right? Now tell me F for what? F for fish, fan, fox, fire, football. Okay, then tell me G for what? Say grapes, gun, goat, girl, right? Then tell me N for what? Try to say N for lion, lamp, then log, lake, right? I will say after seeing the picture, can you tell me the letter, okay? What is it? It's a ball. It's a ball. What for ball? Can you tell me what for ball? Ball. Ball. So which letter sound is ba? B. B for ball, right? B for ball. So here will be letter B, right? This is letter B. Okay. Look again. What is it? It's an what? It's an egg. It's an egg. What for egg? Egg. 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 So which letter's phonic sound is A? E phonic sound is A. So here would be letter E. Okay. Now tell me which picture I am drawing. Okay. Can you draw picture, students? Okay. What is it? It's a kite. It's a kite. So, which letter you will write here if I tell you? Students, look here. Which picture is it? And write the letter here. Which letter you will write here? Kite. Kite. So, which letter's phonic sound is ka? K. Yes. K. We will write small letter K, right? What is it? Can you tell me what is it? This is lamb. This is lamb. So what for lamb? Lamb. 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 So which letter's phonic sound is L? Can you say A? A phonic sound is L. So you will write here letter A. Okay, now what is it? This is mango. This is mango. So, what for mango? Mango. Mango. So which letter's phonic sound is M. M phonic sound is So M for mango. I will write here letter M. Okay, students. What is it? This is nut. This is nut. So, what for nut? Nut. Nut. So, which letter's phonic sound is N. N for nut. So, I will write here letter N. What is it? This is pencil. This is pencil. So what for pencil? Pencil. So which letter's phonic sound is pa? P. P phonic sound is pa. P, pa, pencil. Okay, students. So I think you all can do it, right? students, look. This is our book, page number 6666. Today we will do this one, okay? Today we will see the pictures and we will write the correct letter's name beside the picture. Okay, but see here we can see a new letter and we can see a new picture, that is rose. Okay, so we will not write the letter's name here and we will not write this letter anywhere because we have not learned anything about this letter. Okay, we will write the letter's name of these pictures. Okay, not this one. Okay, students, see the picture and write the correct letter. So we will see the picture at first. Then when saying the picture's name, we have to think which sound is coming at first. Okay, and we have to write down the letter's name here. Okay, the sound of that letter. Okay, this is very easy for all of us. Okay, students, so let's start. Students, now look, here we can see some letters, right? This is letter G. G phonic sound is Ga. G phonic sound is Ga. Then this is letter L. L phonic sound is L. L phonic sound is L. Then this is letter I. I phonic sound is E. I phonic sound is E. Then this is letter H. H phonic sound is Ha. H phonic sound is Ha. What is it? This is hat. This is hat. Do you have hat? So, what for hat? Hat. So, which sound is coming at first? Beginning sound? Ha. Ha. Hat. So, beginning sound is here? Ha. So, which letter's phonic sound is Ha? Can you say? Which letter's phonic sound is Ha? G phonic sound is Ha? No. G phonic sound is Ga. Then L phonic sound is Ha? No. L phonic sound is L. Then I phonic sound is Ha? No. I phonic sound is E. Then H phonic sound is Ha? Yes. H phonic sound is Ha. So we will write here letter H. How can I write letter H? Students, help me at first. Standing stick, then half circle, then another standing stick. This is like letter H. H for hat. Okay, then now look. What is it? This is horse. Horse. Ha. Ha. Horse. So which letter's phonic sound is here? Ha. G. L. I. H. Which one? Can you say? H. H phonic sound is Ha. And write here letter H. Okay. So at first standing stick, then half circle, then another standing stick, small size. This is letter H. See, H for head, H for horse. Now look at the third picture. What we can see here? These are grapes. These are grapes. Grapes are fruits. Like, do you like grapes? I like grapes very much. So do you want to see grapes? Okay, I will show you grapes now. See, these are grapes. These are grapes. So, what for grapes? Ga, ga, grapes. So, which letter's phonic sound is ga? G phonic sound is ga. Yes, G phonic sound is ga. So, G for grapes. So, we will write G here, right? At first what? At first circle. Circle. Then standing stick, then half circle. This is letter G. G for grapes. Okay, so what is the name of this picture? This is leaf. This is leaf. So, what for leaf? Leaf. Leaf. So what is the beginning sound you can hear here? Leaf. L. Which letter's phonic sound is L? G phonic sound is L? No. G phonic sound is Ga. Then this is L. L phonic sound is L. So L for leaf. Okay, so we will write L here. How can we write L? Standing stick, right? So we will write here standing stick. This is letter L. Leaf. So interesting, right? Students, are you enjoying? Okay, now look here. What is it? Can you say? This is lion. You want to see a lion? Okay, I will show you. I am lion. I will not do anything harmful with you. Okay? You are safe with me. Students, can you now tell me what for lion? Try to say lion. Lion. So which letter's phonic sound is L? G phonic sound is L. No. L phonic sound is L. Yes, L phonic sound is L. So we'll write here L. Okay. Then what are these? These are grass. So which letter's phonic sound is Ga? G phonic sound is Ga. Yes, G sound is Ga. So we'll write here G. Circle, standing stick, half circle. Okay, now look at the last picture. What is it? This is an igloo house. It is made with ice. Okay, so igloo. Igloo. Which sound is here at the beginning? Igloo. So which letter sound is E? G sound is E? No. L sound is E? No. I sound is E? Yes. I phonic sound is E. So igloo. We will write here letter I. How can we write letter I? At first standing stick, then small dot. Standing stick, then dot. This is letter I. So students, are you clear about it? Like this way, you will complete this one. Okay. So where you will find out this picture in your lowercase alphabet book, page 66, you will get this one. Okay. So do it by yourself.